Stop running Facebook ads for local businesses if you are a digital marketing agency. What's up, everybody? My name is Jordan, and in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the difference between Facebook ads and Google ads for your business, especially if you're a digital marketer or digital marketing agency owner that is offering this to local businesses. This is the number one reason why you're probably not retaining your clients for as long. I don't know how long you retain your clients, but if it's less than 3 to 6 months, then you need to change something, right? Your client is not satisfied with the results, whatever you're bringing in, whatever you're offering them. If you're not retaining them for longer than that, then you need to change something inside your marketing agency to be able to retain your clients for a longer period of time. Right? So before I jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jordan, and this is my channel, JLE Marketing. I use this channel to share my experience, knowledge, and mistakes to help you guys grow your own agency from zero to whatever figures you want it to be. I've been able to build a 6-figure digital marketing agency without any knowledge or any skills with digital marketing when I first started out. So I built this entire thing up from scratch, all from my bedroom, and now I share what I know on this YouTube. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And for those of you that has already done that and it's been along with this journey, welcome back. Let's hop in the video. All right, guys. So I was on a call today with 2 agency owners. They're currently they currently have a client, a personal injury client. Now, I'm not going to go into specifics and stuff like that, but basically these agency owners, they have been running Facebook ads for this personal injury attorney, getting them motor vehicle accident cases, personal injury cases, and things like that. And they reached out to me because they wanted to bring me on board to help them get better results. They told me that they're currently working with 4 personal injury attorneys, and 2 of them is about to cancel the services because they're just not seeing the results, right? And so they wanted to bring me on. They're asking questions like, how long am I able to retain my clients? I tell them, my client, for all my clients that I have right now has been with me for minimum of a year to over 1.5 years. Now, for those of you that's been along this journey, I've only had my agency for less than 2 years. So pretty much I've had these clients ever since I started my agency. The ones that signed on with me had stayed with me up till now. Right, so the retention rates are super high. So make sure you guys are paying attention to this video because it's going to make the difference of whether you guys are able to keep your clients or not. So these agency owners who are running Facebook ads for these personal injury attorneys, they're running the Facebook ads that goes, I believe it was a lead form campaign. Someone goes on Facebook, scrolls on the newsfeed, they see the lead Facebook ad for personal injury attorneys. They click on the ad, a little form pops up. There's some qualifying questions, like when were you in an accident, were you at fault or not, what type of accident was it, and things like that, right? Qualifying questions. And then the lead, they type in their information, answer the questions, and then that lead form is sent to the attorney, and then the attorney's job is to follow up with these leads, right? Now, these agency owners, they were getting leads for a competitive city. They didn't really specify what city it was, but they were basically telling me in one of the cities, they were getting about $30 to $50 per lead. Right, for personal injury. Now, for personal injury, if you guys don't know anything about the attorney space, personal injury, their cases, one new customer for their niche, it could be anywhere between $2,500 all the way up to hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? Depending on the accident, the severity of the accident, how bad it was, how injured the person is, right? So there's a lot of money to be made here. And so $30 to $50 per lead is fantastic. That is a great number. So if you are getting leads for $30 to $50 and that potentially turns into, let's say, a minimum $2,000 case for the attorney, that's a huge return on investment, guys. That is awesome. Looks great on paper, right? So they told me that this personal injury attorney monthly ad budget was $4,000, right? That's no. They told me it was $2,500. Sorry. So it was a $2,500, $30 cost per lead. That's going to be almost, what is that? 100 leads, right? $30 times 100 is 3,000. If I have my math right. So they're getting about 100 leads, right? At $30 per lead, $2,500. Let's just say it's $3,000 monthly ad budget. They're getting about 100 leads per month, right? That, as a digital marketing agency owner, you are ecstatic. You're bringing 100 leads to this client, and you're doing your job, right? You're doing everything you promised. You're running the Facebook ads. You're getting such a cost. The cost per lead is so low at $30, and you're bringing this client 100 leads, right? So let me ask you guys something. If these agency owners are getting such a great cost per lead, and bringing this client 100 leads per month, why does this client no longer want to continue the services? Right? So if you guys know the answer to that, put that answer in the comment section below right now. So think about it, guys. Why do these clients not want to continue? All right. So if you guys don't know, the reason why this client doesn't want to continue the service is because out of those 100 leads, I don't know how many close, but let's say none of them close, right? Because the leads that are coming from Facebook are low quality leads, right? These agency owners who brought 100 leads, maybe 2 out of the 100 or none at all turned into a case, right? So now not only is the campaign not profitable, but also the attorney is wasting their time, or whoever's doing the follow-up, they're wasting their times calling up these 100 leads, right? It takes a lot of time throughout the day to answer these 100 leads that are not turning into money. You're paying your secretary, your answering service, or whatever it is to hop on the phone to get new cases for the attorney, but these leads aren't turning into new cases. So this is just wasting not only money but time. And this is these are the two biggest reasons why clients don't want to run a marketing campaign anymore. So this is why I tell agency owners I don't recommend Facebook ads. Facebook ads is this popular, when you go to school and a new girl just transferred into your high school or whatever school you go to, she's going to be a little bit more interesting because she's new, right? Everyone wants to get to know her, talk to her, be friends with her because she's new, she's cute, whatever it is. That's kind of like what Facebook ads is, guys. It's this new Facebook ads, new technology, low cost per lead, hundreds of leads per month. All that looks great on paper, but at the end of the month, when the client goes and check how much money they made, they're actually either breaking even or even losing money for this marketing campaign, right? So if you are one of those people, here's how to fix that. Right now, I'm not saying Facebook ads is terrible for every business. It really varies on the niche. I've ran Facebook ads for my own business before, and it's worked fine. But like I said, it depends on the niche, right? Facebook ads is powerful for, maybe gym owners, even chiropractors, more low ticket clients, low ticket customer value and things like that. Restaurants, nail salons, retargeting ads are really powerful with Facebook ads as well. But if you are working for clients who are bringing in high ticket customers, so if you're bringing in clients that are worth anywhere from a minimum of $2,000, and that can go all the way up to tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars, then what are the chances of someone who's going on Facebook and to see what their friends and family are up to turn into a big case for your client, right? So here's how to fix that, guys. I ran Facebook ads before. I understand what Facebook ads is like and stuff like that. And the reason why how to fix all of this right here, how to fix this issue is simply bringing in higher quality leads. That's really the answer, right? Bringing more high quality leads with intention to hire or purchase your clients, whatever service or product that they're offering, right? So now you might be asking, well, Jordan, you know, how do I bring in higher quality leads? That's a great question, right? That's the question that is going to make you a lot of money, right? Because with Facebook, if you guys think about it, most people are on Facebook for entertainment, right? They're scrolling on Facebook newsfeed mindlessly, you know, looking at cat videos, friends and family, whatever they're doing, and news and stuff like that, different pages. They're not really there to purchase or hire anything. We don't go to Facebook looking for things to buy, right? So where do you guys go if you guys are looking for something, anything at all, using the internet, right? If you are looking to purchase a product, looking for a specific service to hire, where are you guys most likely going to search, right? Are you guys going to use the yellow books? No, because that's like outdated, right? Radio, television, commercials, yeah, you know, that's kind of like in a form of that's more of a disrupt marketing, which is similar to Facebook ads. People aren't really looking, right? So the place that everyone goes to look for a product or service to hire or purchase is Google, right? It's simple, right? It's nothing crazy brand new, right? Google is the #1 search engine. That's a fact. There are I believe there are, now don't quote me on this, I believe there are billions of searches every single day on Google. There are trillions of searches every year, right? Now I might have that mixed up a little bit, but those numbers are pretty close. Is it trillions? It might be billions a year and millions a day, right? Now don't get on me on that, but the fact is there are a ton of searches every single day on Google. And so if you're not on Google, then you're not getting high quality leads, right? So if someone searches for, and I told these agency owners, right, you need to bring in higher quality leads. And so in order to do that, you need to use Google ads, because chances are if someone gets into a car accident, right, they're not going to go on Facebook and look for an accident attorney. They're most likely going to go to Google, right? And so if your ad shows up on Google, if you have everything set up the right way, obviously, then your ad's going to show up on the top of the search page of Google. So if someone types in accident attorney near me or something along those lines, then you want your ad to show up at the top, assuming that you have it set up correctly. Now, these people are considered red hot leads because they need something. They need something right now. They're not, you know what I mean? This is with intent. We're searching with intent, with the purpose of hiring or purchasing. So they're going to click on the ad, and you know, chances are they're going to call into the attorney, and you know, from there, that's where they close the case. But the difference is that alone, right there, guys, is way much more powerful, because with Google Ads, the lead is calling into the office, right? Your client's phone is ringing, instead of your client having to pick up the phone, call your lead. Your lead may or may not pick up, and then to find out that they're not qualified, and you're having to do this, you know, 10 times a day, because, you know, this marketing agency is bringing in 100 leads per month. So you're spending a good amount of your days having to, you know, call these people that are unqualified, and it's wasting everybody's time when they could be doing something else that's way much more important, right? So with Google, the leads are all inbound, meaning these leads are calling in. The phone is ringing, and not only that, but these people have the intention. They just got into a car accident. They just got injured. They just did something, and their back hurts or something like that. They want to sue someone, right? So they need to hire somebody. And that is really, guys, that is how I've been able to retain my clients for over a year, right? My very first client, when I first started my agency, is still with me today. So it's been over a year and a half now, as we're going on to 2 years, and we're going strong. We're consistently getting high quality leads that turns into clients every single day, every single week, right? Because otherwise they wouldn't be continuing the services with me, because I don't even make any of my clients sign 3 to 6 to 12 month contracts. All of my contracts are month to month basis. All of my clients can literally cancel anytime they want. So if for whatever reason they're not seeing any results, they're not satisfied, whatever, they can cancel, right? And I have not had any issues with that. It's the marketing companies that try to lock these clients in for 3 to 6 months, telling you that it's going to take 3, 6, 12 months for you to finally see results. That's really just a way for marketing companies to sign you on a longer contract. And so after 3 months, you're going to see 0 leads, zero results. The client is angry. The marketing company got paid. And this is why a lot of businesses are very hesitant when working with a new marketing company, right? Because they've been burned by so many marketing companies in the past. And so if you're in a position where you're not getting great results, or your clients aren't staying on for as long as you would like them to, they're ending their contracts after a month, 3 months, 6 months, then you just simply need to get them better results. You need to make it more profitable for them and stop wasting their time with low quality leads that are coming from Facebook. They have no intention there, right? And so that's really how, guys, if you want to build a sustainable digital marketing agency, you need to be able to have that strong foundation, right? Go reverse engineer your business, right? You don't need to go first start off by trying to get as many clients as possible. That's not the goal. The goal is really to be able to keep the clients that you have for as long as possible. So every time you sign on a new client, you know that this client is going to stay with you for a very long time and not end their services with you after a month or 3 months, right? You want to be able to provide that so that you can keep your digital marketing agency. You know that you can generate a consistent income every single month, instead of 1 month you're doing well because you signed on a new client that month, but the next month a lot of clients signed off, so now you're back at square one. You don't want to be that in that type of business, guys, because it's just not very stable, and it's going to take a toll on your energy and your mind, just because you're always hustling for new clients. So look, guys, I do have a little webinar training. The link is in the description. It's 80 minutes. If you guys want to learn on my 3 systems, first system is how to fill your calendar and your pipeline up with prospects who actually want to work with you. This isn't cold calling and stuff like that. This is filling up your calendar with people who actually want to work with you. Now that's my first system. My second system is how you're able to deliver the service so that you can retain your clients, deliver great results to keep your clients happy and paying you every single month. And my third system that is taught in the webinar training is my VCO system. And basically that system, for those of you that aren't comfortable with sales, like myself, I don't hop on any of my sales calls. I've done sales calls in the past, but never really enjoyed it, have anxieties and stuff like that. So if you feel the same way, if you're not great at sales, or if you rather not have to do sales and have your clients get closed on automation, definitely check out the VCL system. That's my third system in the webinar training. All of that is in the link in the description. If you want to connect with me and other digital marketers, I have a private Facebook group. That link is also in the description as well. And so if this channel helped you guys at all whatsoever, spark something in your mind, light bulb, please give it a video this big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. This channel has been growing really fast since we've hit 1,000 subscribers. And I really appreciate every single one of you guys for taking the time to leave a comment, subscribe, sharing it with your friends, your family, your cousins, your mamas, your dogs, and stuff like that. I really appreciate it because it helps the channel a ton, and this is the reason why I sit down, to create these videos for you guys. All right. So my name is Jordan Lee, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Peace.